Hi, my name is Carol Middleton, and I'm here to introduce the new mind body healing technique called Reiki. Reiki was founded in Japan, and it can be used as a complementary technique to more a traditional Western kind of method for emotional healing, such as psychotherapy and also cognitive behavioral therapy. Reiki loosely means universal life force. So with this technique, I kind of feel like it's what's good for me because it can just put you into um, a different zone of meditation. So when we meditate, what we want to do is try to bring in all your thoughts and everything, just leave everything aside um, to loosen your body, um, pretty much kind of just meditate and just release any negative feelings you may have or anything that kind of bothers you, and just try to focus on healing of the body, mind, and body. So with Reiki, the technique pretty much is a hands-on technique. So I prefer to do it on myself. You can do it on others. You can pass it on to others, this type of healing technique. But I kind of would like to just use it on myself. A lot of people don't like to be touched in certain places or may not have that quote unquote belief. But it's just pretty much what you feel comfortable with. Um, Reiki was founded by Mr. Maku Yusi, and this was pretty much in a technique done pretty much before the 20th century in Tokyo. Um, the hand placements are approximately, and not to be exact all the time, the hands are normally placed very lightly against the body. It's not like a strong force. When you're touching, you're bringing someone down. You want to feel pretty much energy, okay? More so that's where the meditation comes in that, and you're pretty much focused on your body, mind, and soul. Um, One of the techniques they pretty much want you to feel is pretty much where people feel tired or feel stress, okay, in those areas of the neck and the head. So with this technique, you can pretty much you want to have warm hands. You don't want cold hands placing on yourself. So what I pretty much do is try to get into a meditation um, alone. I usually light up a candle for myself, light a candle, and it just pretty much puts you more so in the mood, a safe, calm, relaxing mood that I'm pretty much a lot of people would find resourceful. So with this technique, they pretty much start with myself. I like to just like go into a zone, meditate for a while, or you can pray, however you want, you want to meditate. Um, and just for a few seconds, you just want to relax your body and just really think of good thoughts, good things. I like to think of this healing pretty much working for me. Um, so placing the palm between the eyebrow and the hairline um, is what and it's just a soft touch. You want to softly place your hand there. Okay, you can sit up, you can lay down, however you feel comfortable. Okay, and you just laying the hand there, feeling the energy. It's all about the energy. Okay, and then the upper back head. Pretty much, I have a lot of stress. Um, so you want to place the hands calmly around the back of the head. Just soft touch, nothing too hard. Because when you feel that pressure of the hands laying to it, you're not really getting that energy. The energy is some little space. You want some little air to go between the neck and the palms. Okay? And just for seconds and just relax. And then sometimes you want it to the temple, your temples here. And just kind of feel the energy. And just open, relax, loosen up a little. Okay? And everything, both when the hands are feeling the body, you want it to touch together. Same time, same spots. Palms. Yeah. And just feel the energy. Just relax. One good thing you want to do is always take deep breaths. Just to feel the energy. One other touch technique is the crown of your head. Softly touch the crown of your head. Now try to relax and just try to zone out into your own world. Deep breath. There's so many techniques with this Reiki. I would suggest if you were doing it with another individual to just explain to them the technique, explain to them the soft touch. It's not passionate or anything. It's just soft, no roughness involved. It's just soft touches, and you want them to be able to feel the energy. With Reiki, you can pass this energy on to other folks. They have different stages of Reiki. Palms slightly cropped over the eyes. And just feel the energy. You can cup it and just deep breaths. Center of the sternum, soft touch. And this can be done simultaneously. And there you have it. So for you guys, I would insist that you look up Reiki just to to see what do you think of, think of it. Sometimes you can pull the energy, and it's just totally up to you. I appreciate you all watching this video, and good luck.